Welcome back to Digital Marketing Insights Lab for Part 2 of Introduction to Digital Marketing, Key Components. One key component of digital marketing is search engine optimization, SEO. SEO focuses on optimizing your website and content to rank higher in search engine results. By implementing SEO techniques, you can improve your website's visibility, attract organic traffic, and increase your chances of being discovered by potential customers. Another important component is pay-per-click advertising, PPC. With PPC, you can display ads on search engines and other platforms. You pay when someone clicks on your ad, making it a targeted and measurable way to drive traffic to your website and generate leads. Social media marketing is another powerful component of digital marketing. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn provide channels to connect with your audience, build brand awareness, and engage with potential customers. Through strategic content creation, community management, and targeted advertising, social media marketing can be a valuable tool for businesses. Content marketing involves creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. It includes blog posts, videos, infographics, ebooks, and more. Effective content marketing can establish your business as an authority in your industry and drive customer engagement. Digital marketing is a dynamic and ever-evolving field that offers incredible opportunities for businesses to grow and succeed. In the second part of this series, we'll explore additional key components of digital marketing, including email marketing, website development and optimization, data analytics, and reporting. Don't forget to subscribe to Digital Marketing Insights Lab and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We're here to guide you on your journey towards digital marketing excellence.